So in this video we install the Octagon shaped Royal Enfield engine guard. Step 1. Unboxing. There's the smallest instructions in the world, a centerpiece, a large bolt, a bag of small bolts, one side, and yep, you guessed it, the other side. Step 2. Assemble the center bit. Using the smallest instructions in the world, take the center bit and add this little brackety thing. It attaches with 2 bolts. Step 3. Connect the 2 halves of the guard together. Slide the center bit in, realise that you've put this bit on wrong, and take it off. See, that bit needs to go pointy down. Do the bolts up again. Now make sure you do these very tight because you'll never be able to see these again. Once it slides in, just line up the 2 holes and put the bolts in. Again, these will be difficult to do up later, so do them up nice and tight now. Repeat with the other side of the guard. Step 4. Remove the clutch cable clip. Undo this bolt and take it right off, and remove the clip. It's not needed. Step 5. Attach the guard to the bike. Using the nuts and bolts provided, attach the guard at the top to the frame. I just did it up with my fingers at this point to allow myself some wriggle room. Step 6. Replace the bottom bolt. Undo and remove the existing bolt. Replace with the bolt provided. Take note that there is 1 washer on the side of the end of the bolt and then 2 washers on the side with the nut. Do it up loosely at this stage to allow yourself some room to move. Step 7. Tighten the bolts. Starting with the top bolt, do them up nice and tight. Trust me, I used a spanner. I forgot to film it, unfortunately. Once you've done that, check that the clutch cable is behind the engine guard and do up the bottom bolts. Step 8. Admire your handiwork. Here it is from the side, from an angle, front on, from another angle, and from the side. Looks good. That's the angle, the front on side, angle, side, front angle, front on side, angle, front on side, angle, front on side.